Wondering how much it costs to convert your LLC to an S corporation? The answer varies based on your state and situation, but understanding the full picture can help you make an informed decision for your business. Converting an LLC to an S corporation involves both state-level procedures and federal tax elections. This process can provide significant tax advantages for qualifying businesses, but comes with specific costs and requirements. Let's break down the typical costs you'll encounter. First are state filing fees, which range from $0 to over $500, depending on your location. States like California, Florida, Delaware, and Nevada allow for a streamlined statutory conversion process with a single filing fee. For example, California charges $150 for articles of incorporation, plus additional fees for the conversion itself. Other states like New York and New Jersey don't permit statutory conversions, requiring you to dissolve your LLC and form a new corporation. This essentially doubles your costs since you're paying both formation and dissolution fees. The IRS forms required for the conversion are free to file. These typically include Form 8832 for Entity Classification Election and Form 2553 for S Corporation Election. While these forms cost nothing to submit, errors can delay your S Corp status or trigger unwanted tax consequences. Many business owners seek professional guidance during this process. Legal and tax advisory fees typically range from $200 to $2,000 or more, depending on your situation's complexity and your location. Don't forget to factor in ongoing costs. Some states impose annual franchise taxes or minimum business taxes on corporations that may be higher than what you currently pay as an LLC. To qualify for S corporation status, your business must meet several IRS requirements. Your company must be a domestic entity with only one class of stock and fewer than 100 shareholders. All shareholders must be United States citizens or residents, and none can be corporations, partnerships, or non-resident aliens. Certain types of businesses like financial institutions and insurance companies are ineligible. The conversion process varies by state. In states allowing statutory conversion, you'll typically file a certificate of conversion or similar document. This streamlined approach is available in states like Wyoming, Nevada, Florida, Delaware, and California. If your state doesn't allow direct conversion, you'll need to form a new corporation and dissolve your LLC. States like Pennsylvania, Colorado, Arizona, New York, and New Jersey require this more complex approach. For federal tax purposes, you'll need to file Form 2553 with the IRS. Timing is crucial here. To elect S Corp status for the current tax year, you must submit this form within 2 months and 15 days from the beginning of the tax year. For most businesses using the calendar year, that means filing by March 15th. S corporation status offers several advantages. Perhaps the most significant is tax savings. As an S Corp, you can pay yourself a reasonable salary and take additional profits as distributions. These distributions aren't subject to self-employment tax, potentially saving thousands in taxes annually. S Corp also maintain pass-through taxation, meaning business income passes to shareholders and is reported on their individual tax returns. This avoids the double taxation that affects traditional C corporations. Some business owners find that S Corp status enhances their credibility with clients, investors, or lenders. The formal structure signals a level of business sophistication that may benefit certain companies. However, S Corp status isn't ideal for every business. It requires more administrative work, including running payroll and complying with employment tax rules. You'll need to maintain more formal records and follow stricter operational procedures than a typical LLC. The eligibility restrictions can also be limiting. If you plan to bring on international investors or create complex ownership structures, S Corp status may not be suitable. When should you consider converting your LLC to an S Corp? Generally, this makes sense when your business consistently earns profits above what would be considered a reasonable salary. Businesses with a single owner or small number of United States-based members often benefit most. If you're already planning to hire employees and implement payroll systems, the additional administrative requirements of S Corp status may be less burdensome. However, if your business is newly formed and not yet profitable, it might be wise to wait before making this election. Remember that timing matters for your tax election. Filing Form 2553 within 2 months and 15 days from the beginning of your tax year ensures your S Corp status applies to the current year. Missing this deadline means your election takes effect the following tax year instead. If you change your tax status and later want to change again, be aware that the IRS typically restricts changes for 60 months or 5 years. This makes it important to be certain about your decision before proceeding. Converting an LLC to an S corporation involves costs ranging from minimal state filing fees to potentially thousands in professional assistance. The right choice depends on your specific business situation, profitability, and long-term goals. For many growing businesses, the tax savings justify the conversion costs and additional administrative requirements, but careful analysis of your specific situation is essential before making this important business decision.